Auzubillahi Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our topic for today's discussion is why the sneeze is called as the blessing of Allah. What are its benefits? Yawn is said to be the head of devil. What is the reason behind this? What is the way that is taught to us to handle both of them? Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and must comment your opinion in the comment section below and watch this video till the end to get complete information. There is saying in Hadith that Allah likes sneeze. Because of sneeze, the load of human mind vanishes and it refreshes the power of understanding and it supplies power to our heart. That is why sneezing is the blessing of Almighty Allah. Holy Prophet ﷺ has said, sneeze is a blessing of Allah, and when it happens, one should say Alhumdulillah, and it is obligatory for next Muslim to answer this. Now, we will discuss about yawn. It is said about yawn that it becomes the reason of laziness and it causes hindrance in worshipping and obedience. When a human being suffers yawn, devil gets happy. That's why yawn is said to be the effect of devil. It causes negative effect on a human body. That's why it is disliked by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Procedure of handling a yawn comes in Hadith that one should try to stop the yawn when one opens his mouth to take yawn. Devil smiles. That's why we are asked to stop the yawn. If yawn is taken, one should not open up his mouth. These are the reasons we must handle both of these situations according to Hadith. Stay blessed and stay tuned for more videos.